Don't do. Glad to have you back on the space, guys. And today I'll be making delicious and easy pork stew. Let us go. I have my diced onion, curry, thyme, bouillon cubes, seasoned salt, hot pepper, diced garlic, tomato paste, tomato sauce, pork, and carrot. You can add any other veggie of your choice. I'm seasoning the pork now with seasoned salt. I've added thyme. I'm adding bouillon cube. You can just leave it to marinate for up to an hour, but I'll go ahead to fry it. This pork is in two batches. Like the first one, I marinated everything. I left it in the fridge for it's up to like 3 hours now. So that I'm going to grill it. I'm not frying it. So that will have option, like if you want grilled pork, fine. You can even use soya spice to enjoy it. If you want it in your stew, it's fine. So this is it. So I'm back to the one I'm frying now. You see how the oil and the pork, somehow you see the browning. You know, frying is another method of cooking. So I've cooked the pork, so I just went ahead to add onion. I sauteed the onion for like a minute, and now I've added the diced garlic. I'm adding our tomato paste. So I'm going to be frying this for like 3 minutes. Now I've added curry. I'm adding our bouillon cube. Now I'm adding the fried turkey back. I want it to continue cooking. The essence of actually frying it, then I wanted it to have a different kind of taste, you know. So as I fried it, the whole season like entered into it. I'll continue the cooking process. I'll leave it in this tomato sauce for like this man allow me to talk. I'll leave it in this sauce for like 2 minutes. Now I've added our pepper. I just added the tomato sauce. So this is after 2 minutes. I added the tomato sauce. I'm adding water.
So So this is the consistency, guys. So as we are waiting for the water to reduce, then this one will be cooking also.
So trying to see how the pork is doing, guys. The pork is doing just fine. Just the oil, the taste from the oil is something else. I allowed it to cook further for 5 minutes, and then I added the veggies, left it for another 1 minute. Our tea is ready.
Guys,
Don't do.